Hey everybody, what's up? Today I'll show you how to make this origami spinner. This is a very simple model made up of 6 pieces, and each one of them is very easy to make. You'll need 6 squares of paper measuring 10 by 10 centimeters or 4 by 4 inches. I'll show you first how to get these squares from a full sheet of paper, but if you already have the squares ready, you can skip this step. First of all, we need to divide the paper into 3 equal parts. You can use a ruler if you want, but I prefer to simply curve the edge of the paper, like this, and then slowly bring the layers together, leaving them divided into 3 equal parts. At the end, press the paper to mark the edge. This gives us 2 marks that we can use as guides to fold the paper. So first, let's fold the right side. And then the left side using the other mark, or by folding the paper to the line we just made. In the next step, we are going to fold the corner on the right side. To do that, bring the top edge down to the first crease we made. Then flip the paper over. And using this diagonal fold as a reference, fold a new horizontal line here. So just bring the paper up, align it with the fold we made. Then unfold the corner and reinforce the crease well. In the end, we just need to fold to mark the extra paper. Unfold everything. And cut the paper along the lines we made, getting 6 equal squares. Now, to make the first piece, fold the paper in half. Unfold. Then fold both sides to the middle. And unfold again. Now, fold the top right corner and the bottom left corner. Like before, you just need to bring the edge to the crease, like this. Then do the same with the other. Once done, fold both sides to the middle again. And then fold these 2 new diagonals following the existing creases. You can fold the top part first, and then the bottom. Now that we have this part ready, unfold these last two folds. Open the right side, fold the top corner, and close it again. Then rotate the paper and repeat the same on the other side. Once done, turn it over and fold the two corners, folding the paper like a square. You can fold the top corner first, and then the bottom corner. Undo this last step, and now the first piece is ready. You can make all of them the same way, but if you use a paper with two different colors, you can make two more, starting with the lighter color facing up, and the others with the same color facing down. This way we'll have half of the pieces in each color. To assemble the first half, take the first two pieces and fit one inside the other, placing the corner inside this diagonal pocket here. Then place the third piece into the diagonal pocket of the second, and finally fit the first one into the third. That closes the paper in a triangular shape. Repeat the same thing with the other three pieces, and to join one half with the other, flip one of them over and place the other one on top. Align them in this position. Now starting at the top, you can open the right side a little and insert the left corner into that space. Then go to the other side and repeat the same thing. Sometimes it can be a little tricky to fit the pieces, but with patience, the result looks really nice. Once one corner is closed, repeat the same thing with the other two. And when you finish, you get this result. Our origami spinner is ready! Just give it a try and you'll see that it works really well. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.